Hey guys, welcome to Happy Coding for Everyone channel. Let's start from where we left in our previous video. Let's start assigning style. I want to add general CSS to our project first. Margin 0 and padding 0 and save it. Let's make it our browser appeal. Let's start from our form class. Height 100%. With 100% and background image. I added background image. You can download that image with project code URL bg and let's save it. And background position center and background size cover and position absolute and let's save it. And we see our background properly on our web page. Let's start other class. Form box with 400 pixel, 8, 420 pixel, position relative, and margin 15%, auto, and background white. So we see our form. Let's add some padding, 5 pixel and overflow hidden. But I want to make it disabled for now. I will activate it later. And let's assign some borders. Border bottom right 70 pixel and border top left 70 pixel and save it. Our login form shape has changed. Let's add some shadow effect. Box shadow 5 pixel, 5 pixel, 5 pixel, 5 pixel and color. We already talked about mean of the dead values in our previous videos. You can have a look at them or you could consider to watch all series from beginning. That will be so beneficial for you guys. Let's start our buttons. Our button groups here guys. Position relative with 200 pixel. Margin 40 pixel. Outer border radius 25 pixel. And box shadow 0, 0, 20 pixel, 4 pixel and assign a color and save it. We are working on that section as you see guys. Let's start other one. Form buttons. Position relative and border 0 and outline none. Padding 15 pixel, 24 pixel. Background transparent, cursor pointer, font family Verdana and let's save it. Button area is getting ready. I'm going to add another div in our form to assign new style. Div ID, btn, design. Let's copy and let's start adding style for that ID. As you see, we just need to add hashtag rather than dot because we are assigning CSS to ID. Position absolute with 100%, height 100%, top 0, left 0, and border radius 20 pixel, and background linear gradient to right, and color, and let's add transition. We will use later 5s and save it. Let's start our form. Form group. Top 150 pixel. Position absolute and width 280 pixel and transition .5 and save it. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.